Raman, my name is Agrata and I welcome you all to the channel of Easy German by Agrata. आज के वीडियो में हम लोग अपना वॉल्यूम नंबर 1 फ्री लर्निंग ऑफ जर्मन कंटिन्यू करने वाले हैं. ये हमारा वीडियो नंबर 2 होने वाला है. You know, the best thing about this channel is that we are going to study German both in English and Hindi. And believe me or not, German एक बहुत fun learning भाषा है, तो you all would be loving German. So now we are gonna start with the actual German. In our previous class, that was the video number 1, we studied the alphabets and the umlauts of German. However, today, which is our second number video, we are going to have a look at some of the basic words in German. So why are we wasting time? Let's get started without a further ado. Now the question is, why shall I study basic words? Let's just jump into main German. Let's just jump onto, the pronouns, words, verbs, articles, and whatnot. So there are several reasons that why am I teaching you guys basic words of German. So the first reason is travel. So whenever you go to a new country, you face a lot of language barriers, provided the natives do not speak English, right? Let's say I'm going to Germany and I don't know even a word of German except hello. That's hello, right? I just know alphabets. So there would be for sure a language barrier for myself, because let me tell you one thing, that in Germany most of the natives, like 90% of the natives, speak German. Now, there would be a lot of language barriers faced, and then Germans won't be able to understand. So that's why it's very important to understand some of the basic words, so that you can have, a little bit tutti frutti kind of communication. Like in thoda sa you can, they can understand. And we are going to study basic words with the most appropriate pronunciations. तो ऐसे मत सोचो कि हम लोग बस ऐसे ही पढ़ लेंगे. No, nothing like that. Germans बहुत, they need perfect pronunciations. अगर pronunciations perfect नहीं हुए, then they won't be able to understand what thing are you speaking. Okay, the next thing is communication. Knowing basic German words helps you communicate with German speakers, fostering better relationships and cultural exchange. Absolutely. If you know even 5 to 10 words na, they will make you your friends, because they think कि हाँ भाई एक native है इंडिया का, उसे जर्मन आती है. So that's a really good thing for them. You would be able to foster better relationships, which is very good, right? Lastly, but not the least, that is education. Understanding basic German can be helpful if you plan to study in German. Exactly. If you plan to study in Germany in your college times or everything, if you know hello, hi, bye, then yes, you can, just communicate with them nicely. Okay, now let's move to basic German words. So, this is a group of 5 to 10 words which we are going to study today, and these are the most common words used in German. And what about how are you? I'm not going to touch the how are you part, because those words are simply phrases, right? So that's why I'm not going to touch. Okay, so let's get started with the basic words, starting with hello. How do you say hello in German? Hallo. Hallo. So it is somewhat pronounced like ha लो. ओके, आप ऐसे प्रोनाउंस करेंगे इसे. Liebe. 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 It means love. Hallo Liebe. It means hello love. ओके, आई होप अब समझ आ रहा है कैसे सेंटेंस बनाएंगे. अब देखो, मुझे लिखना है हेलो लव, ठीक है, एंड एन एक्सक्लेमेशन मार्क. सो क्या लिखेंगे हम? हेलो लीबा, ठीक है, देन एन एक्सक्लेमेशन. ओके, ग्लू ग्लू ग्लू. So this thing, this is u umlaut. So this is basically your German vowel. So how do you pronounce this vowel? We say u, You. The way you say you, that's the same, right? You, right? So glue, it means happiness. Okay. Katze, Katze, it means Katze. Katze means cat. Hund, Hund means dog. Deutsch. What does Deutsch mean? It means German. If you are studying German and you don't know how to speak German in German, then how would we be able to speak? So this is the most important thing. So I'm keeping a smiley over here. Okay. Okay. Danke. How do you say danke? Danke. So it is thank you. Thank you. Okay. Then we have auf Wiedersehen. Auf Wiedersehen. It means see you soon. Okay. Sorry guys. Yeah. Bitte. Bitte. Bitte means welcome. Yeah. It means yes. So now you must be thinking कि ma'am J है तो it means ja. No. So ha e yacht. We pronounce J as yacht, right? So therefore it would be yeah. Yeah. It means yes. Nine. Nine. It means no. Just pronounce it the way you speak nine. You speak this thing. Cheers. So don't say tschüss. Don't say tschüss. Say cheers. Cheers. So it is goodbye. So I hope guys you liked today's class. It was a very short yet a little bit of intense session. If you guys liked it, then please, just send a heart. Okay? Just send a heart if you liked our session. And if you have any questions, please comment us freely. We'll be just answering it within an hour. Okay? So till then, danke und tschüss. Danke and bye everybody.